Hello, I'm Medina, reporting live from the STEM lab, where a major emergency is unfolding. Two of our top scientists, Lydia and Leon, have officially gone missing. Right now, no one knows where they are or what happened inside that room. But something even stranger is happening. Objects around us are starting to disappear. What is happening? My phone has no signal.
Lydia, guardian of STEM future.
Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Isaac Newton.
Once upon a time, there lived a young boy named Isaac Newton. Unlike other children, he was always thinking, always wondering. He'd keep asking questions that others could not answer. He spent hours reading books, drawing strange diagrams, and building little models. One peaceful afternoon, Newton sat beneath an apple tree, reading a book. Suddenly, an apple fell right beside him. That simple moment led Newton to a powerful idea, that there is a force pulling things toward the earth. He called it gravity. Gravity is what makes everything fall down and keeps things from floating away.
Imagine seeing that moment for real. Good thing I built this.
Leon, guardian of STEM future.
Wait, is that a time machine? Yes, want to watch later, discover gravity. Let's go!
Dr. X, genius villain.
I will follow them and change history.
Destination 1666.
Whoa, this is really in the past. Where is Newton? Wait, is that Dr. X? I don't think so.
If there are no apples, Newton will never discover gravity. Then I will go back to 2026 and make the discovery myself.
We couldn't find Newton. Let's go back.
Destination 2026.
Wait, my phone has no signal. Is the Wi-Fi down? What is Wi-Fi? Phone? I don't know phone. Oh no! We changed the future! We need to go back to the past! Object falls toward the earth. There must be a force gravity. Oh no!
Let's begin the countdown together.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Almost done. Just a few more apples to take. No! The time portal is closing! Oh no! I'm stuck here, in the past.